Welcome to this IELTS Writing tutorial. In this video, I'll analyze the question type and essay structure, share a Band 8.5 sample essay, and summarize advanced phrases and practical tips to help you write your own essay. Check the first comment for the PDF link. Let's get started. Question: some people spend most of their lives living close to where they were born. What might be the reasons for this? What are the advantages and disadvantages? This is a two-part question or direct question. The question asks the test taker to address two distinct aspects. 1. Reasons. Why do people stay close to their birthplace? 2. Advantages and disadvantages. What are the effects of this lifestyle? First, let's look at the structure step by step. This structure will help you organize your ideas clearly and effectively. There are 3 parts to this essay: introduction paragraph, body paragraphs, and conclusion paragraph. Now, let's start with the introduction paragraph. This paragraph has 2 main purposes. First, paraphrase the question. For example, instead of repeating the original question, you could say, "Many people remain near their birthplace throughout their lives." Then, state your main idea. Here, briefly mention that you'll explain the reasons for this trend and discuss its advantages and disadvantages. That's all for the introduction. Remember to keep it concise. About 40 words is enough. Next, let's move on to the first body paragraph. Here, we focus on the reasons why people choose to stay near their birthplace. We provide 3 points with explanations and examples. First, the comfort of familiarity. For example, emotional ties to family, friends, and traditions make people feel secure. Second, financial barriers. Relocation can be expensive, and job opportunities in new places might feel uncertain. Finally, cultural norms or family responsibilities. In some cultures, people are expected to care for aging parents or manage family properties. This paragraph explains the why clearly and logically. Now, let's look at the second body paragraph, where we discuss the advantages and disadvantages. Start with a topic sentence for the advantages. Living near one's birthplace offers notable benefits. First, mention a strong support system from family and friends, which can help during tough times. Second, explain how familiarity with local resources, like schools and healthcare, adds stability. Then, move on to the disadvantages with another topic sentence. However, this lifestyle also presents challenges. First, talk about limited exposure to new cultures, ideas, and experiences, which can hinder personal growth. Second, highlight restricted career and education opportunities, especially in areas with declining industries. Make sure to balance both advantages and disadvantages to show critical thinking. Finally, let's wrap it up with the conclusion. In this paragraph, first, summarize the main points from both body paragraphs. For example, while staying near one's birthplace offers stability and connection, it can hinder personal and professional growth. End with a thoughtful final statement, like, "A balance between staying rooted and exploring new opportunities is essential for a fulfilling life." And that's the structure of your essay. Now, let's go through the sample essay.
Many individuals choose to remain near their birthplace throughout their lives, often driven by cultural ties, familial obligations, and economic realities. While this decision provides a sense of stability and community, it can also restrict personal and professional development. A key reason people stay close to their hometown is the comfort of familiarity. Emotional connections to family, friends, and local traditions foster a deep sense of belonging. For instance, rural communities often cultivate tight-knit relationships where residents rely heavily on one another for emotional and practical support, significantly discouraging relocation. Additionally, economic factors, such as the high cost of relocating or the uncertainty of employment in a new location, can deter individuals. Cultural norms in many societies, such as the expectation to care for aging parents or maintain family properties, further anchor people to their roots. Living close to one's birthplace offers undeniable benefits. A robust support network of family and friends can provide invaluable assistance during tough times, from childcare to emotional reassurance. Familiarity with local resources, such as schools, healthcare facilities, and social services, fosters a sense of security. For example, families in suburban neighborhoods often benefit from shared community resources, reinforcing social cohesion and mutual trust. However, this lifestyle may also have obvious drawbacks. Staying in one place can limit exposure to diverse ideas, cultures, and professional opportunities. For instance, individuals in regions with declining industries may face stagnant career prospects, hindering upward mobility and financial progress. Moreover, limited interaction with new environments and perspectives can stifle personal growth and adaptability. In conclusion, while remaining near one's birthplace promotes stability and connection, it can also curtail broader development. Striking a balance between rootedness and exploration is essential for achieving a fulfilling, well-rounded life.
That's the end of the sample essay. Here's a quick summary of advanced phrases from the essay that you can use in your own writing when discussing crime and safety topics. Introduction paragraph.
Driven by cultural ties, familial obligations, economic realities, sense of stability and community, restrict personal and professional development.
Reasons paragraph.
Comfort of familiarity, emotional connections, foster a deep sense of belonging, cultivate tight-knit relationships, high cost of relocating, uncertainty of employment, anchor people to their roots.
Advantages paragraph.
A robust support network, emotional reassurance, familiarity with local resources, fosters a sense of security, shared community resources, reinforce social cohesion.
Disadvantages paragraph.
Limit exposure to diverse ideas and cultures, stagnant career prospects, hinder upward mobility, stifle personal growth and adaptability.
Conclusion paragraph.
Promotes stability and connection, curtail broader development, striking a balance, rootedness and exploration, achieving a fulfilling, well-rounded life.
That's the end of the phrases. Paraphrasing is essential for a strong introduction. In this essay, you can replace close to with near, where they were born, with their birthplace, reasons with due to, and advantages and disadvantages with benefits and drawbacks. That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope this video helps you improve your IELTS writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next video.